What's up, everybody? I'm at the creek. It's honestly kind of cold, man. I just stepped in. It's a little chillier than I wanted it to be. It's like late in the day, 6 something. And I just got off work not that long ago. I want to fish, and I want to fish with some top water. Now that I feel the water, I don't know how well this is going to go. But we're going to do it anyways. And I want to stick to it, stick to my guns. We'll see how this goes, people. Hadn't caught a fish on the plopper in a minute. It's been a while. But I got a few friends who've been using them lately, not here, elsewhere, probably where the water's a lot warmer, and they've been crushing it. So it's got me wanting to use it. Let's get to it. I'm throwing it on a spinning rod today. Usually I'll throw it on a bait caster. I don't feel like dealing with a bird's nest today, so we're gonna stick with the old spinning rod. What's up, guys? Future Bank Fishing TV here. I just wanted to give you a little bit better clarification on the parameters for the giveaway, right? So I'd announced the giveaway and didn't really say when it was going to end or anything like that. So Thursday, May 30th at 11 p.m. is when the giveaway cuts off, right? So you have to put your submission in before then. So just go to that video down below, comment, leave a like, make sure you're subbed to the channel, and you're entered into the giveaway. So I want to make sure I can give back to you all. So if you watch my videos or care at all, please go like that video. And I'm not going to pump it up for the next month to try to get as many subs as possible. I don't really care. I just want to give it back to you guys. So there you go. There's a little bit more info. Thursday, 5:30 at 11 p.m. is the cutoff. Giveaway be announced Friday's video. You guys are awesome. Check out this video of me trying to fish the Whopper Plopper. Check it out. Thanks. Oh man, something hit it as soon as it hit the water. Oh, there we go. We got one, y'all. Ain't no giant, but that didn't take long to get one on the Whopper Plopper. Smallie. There we go. I wonder if that's the same one who hit it first time. That's not a bad one. Not a bad fish to start the day. There we go. First fish. He got himself in the side with that back hook, but he's all right. Not a bad one, dude. Ready to go. I'm pretty sure he hit it twice, which is crazy cool. Let's keep going. There's a good one, y'all. Ooh, oh, and he came off. No. Oh, I saw that fish. That was a big one, you guys. That might have even been, I can't even, oh. That fish isn't hitting again, though. That was a big fish. My drag slipped just a little bit right there. I gotta move on. That was a huge fish. I just saw the flash, and it was a huge flash, and it felt big. That could have even been a big brown trout, you guys, but we'll never know. We will never know. Oh, that one's not bad. Oh, he just jumped so high. Dude, we can't lose 2 in a row, and we did. We just lost 2 in a row, y'all. What am I doing? I'm obviously using the right bait, but oh man, that's brutal. That is brutal. Oh, there we go. There's another one. Don't come off. I made sure to set the hook hard there. All right, we'll take it, dude. That's a good one. I mean, he ain't nearly what we lost, but we are getting a lot of bites. A lot of bites. Good smallmouth for a little creek, bro. We'll take it. We'll take what we can get. We're getting a lot of action, that's for sure. We're just missing the big dogs. I'll take that though, man. That's awesome. They're like tucked up on this bank, dude. It's freaking sweet. Drag felt right that time, so man, I hate that, but we're dialing it, and the more we go, the more we get it dialed in. So maybe we'll get another shot at a big one. See if anything's on this side. No way. How am I? That was a monster, dude. Oh my gosh. It just got hit again by another smallmouth. They're coming. They're all over this bait. That was a giant, bro. He came out of the water for that. Please come back. Oh, I can't believe what I just lost. Dude, I just keep missing every big fish. I don't know if you guys saw that, but dude, one just and just missed it. Please come back, man. No way. Worst thing I could have done right there. Get snagged on something. But I can't even tell what that is. I'm about to scare a fish off the bed, I know it. God, man. It's all right, we'll move on. There should be more, hopefully. Yep, I came over here. There's his bed. Big old bass just took off, man. Great stuff. I've noticed that bass on bed hate these Whopper Ploppers, man. They just hate them. Oh, and I hate missing them. I can't believe that, man. All right, we're just gonna keep going. Try to forget about it. Be all right. It'll be all right. Oh, see? They're all over it right now. I have a feeling like we can catch a good one today, you guys. We can catch a good one. I'm keeping my hopes up because what I'm seeing is kind of crazy. I mean, this is good action, so just gotta go, keep going, and not botch the hook set every single time. All right, we're coming up on some pretty calm water, so pretty close to where I was getting bites, like kind of the same type of water. So let's see if maybe they're out here. Smallies are definitely hitting today, so I just gotta get this in front of them. There we go. There's something. What have we got? Stay on there, boy. Bass. There we go. I mean, bro, this is fun, man. I've been at work all day working on a computer. Come off work, catching smallmouth in the creek on a Whopper Plopper. I miss all the big ones. That one's got like a leech or something on it. I ain't really seen that here in this river before. Huh. All right. Well, very nice, man. We'll take what we can get today. We will take what we can get today. Let's get back over there. Try not to get in that tree. That ain't nothing like the ones we've been losing, but I don't care, man. I kind of got over it like 10 minutes ago. It is what it is, man. I've caught tons of big fish, lost tons of big fish. That won't be the last big fish that I lose, but that might be the last Whopper Plopper I lose in that tree. Not on my watch. We're getting that back. We got it back. I wasn't gonna lose my $50 Whopper. I don't know how much these things are, but they ain't cheap. They are not cheap. These fish are really like right on the edge of the water too. Like they're on the banks right now, so that tells me that they're about to go on bed here. And yeah, it's that time of year, man. There's one. That one's not bad. And he came off. He just jumped. Dude, that was a huge fish, and he just jumped right off. You guys see that? That was a monster. What is going on? Oh my God, that was a monster freaking fish, dude. And they just keep coming off. I mean, whatever we just missed right there jumped out of the water. It looked like it was about 20 inches long. So we're missing fish left and right, man. These hooks on this Whopper Plopper are so sharp. I don't know what's happening, man. Give me one more shot, dude. I've missed giants today. Only giants. I've hooked them and they've just come off. Unbelievable. How many more big fish can I miss today? That's the real question. I mean, we've already broke a record. I don't know what my record was, but I know we broke it. There we go. That's a good one. Don't come off. He's trying to go under that rock. Yep. Ain't bad. We'll take it, dude. It ain't like what we're missing. This is about what we're able to catch today, it looks like. But we're getting a lot of fish, dude. This is kind of crazy. There we go. Nice little smallmouth. We're missing all the giant fish. And they're hitting today. But we're catching these guys, so whatever. That's the kind of angler I am, man. I miss the big ones and I catch the little whatevers. They're still fun, dude. Whatever. I think that I'm gonna get my shot, man. I'm gonna get my shot. When the time is right, we're gonna catch that big smallie on this here bait. Because we came out on the right day. And they're all hitting it, so we gotta come across another one. There we go. Don't come off. That's a smallmouth. He's pulling okay. He ain't huge, but dude, I'm so afraid he's gonna jump and come off. Stay down, bud. Hopefully he's got that hook good enough. He ain't too bad. Yep. always gonna shake it off, man. That's a good one. Yeah, that's the best one of the day, dude. It's been a lot like this, man. Just girthy, nice creek smallmouth, dude. This is so much fun. And I am scared to death of getting a Whopper Plopper in my freaking hand. Look at how we barely got him. Dude, that's a good one. No, that's a good smallmouth. I knew he felt a little bit better than what I've been catching, but the ones we missed are still for sure bigger than this guy. But I'm happy with that, dude. This has been a freaking sweet day of fishing. To just come out here after work, man. Catch these guys. What a freaking day, dude. Let's let them go. All right, buddy. Boom, gone. All right, man. I'm having a blast. Even though I'm missing like half the fish I'm catching or hooking, I'm having a blast, bro. This is so much fun. That guy made up for a lot of it too. Like that was a good fish, man. Especially for around here, solid. All the big fish, they want this bait today. Let's get back in there. If you guys know what I'm doing wrong, please tell me. I usually fish this with like a bait caster though. And I'm starting to see, oh, we got another one. I'm starting to see why now the bait caster might be the move. And that fish just popped off right there. There's a little guy. I'm starting to understand why that might be the move, because I don't think I would have lost those fish, man. I think I would have just penned them a lot better. My drag wouldn't have slipped. All the what ifs, man. That's what makes you a better fisherman though. You just learn as you go, man. You gotta lose a few fish to get good at it. That's for sure. Still got a few more shots at some fish, and I'm happy with today, man. Like I said, I worked all day. Come out here, sun's about to go down, and these fish are lit. They are lit on some Whopper Plopper. So I've had a ball either way, man. This has been cool. There we go. Oh, he caught me so off guard, man. That made me jump. Don't you dare come off. There we go. We got another one. Another little smallmouth, man, on the Whopper Plopper. Like I said, we're missing the big ones, but we're catching some fish, man. We are catching some fish. See you later, bud. If you guys watch my channel, you might recognize this spot. I ain't been here in a long time, but I used to catch the dog out of some big old fish here. Just go back and watch some of my videos if you don't know. And this place has been magic for me a lot. Maybe not now, but we did just catch that guy. Really cool, man. Oh crap, dude. There he comes. That's been my whole experience, man. Not my whole experience, but that's been a lot of it, man. You guys just saw that. There's been a lot of that go on today, and maybe that's just the reality of fishing with big treble hooks like this and smallmouth and just braided line. I don't know, man. Maybe my rod's a little too stiff. I thought I had that guy good though. He hit it like a freaking freight train, bro. And yeah, he just popped right off. Made one good jump, boom, buddy was gone. And these smallmouth, man, they're so acrobatic. Like, they're gonna jump. You hook them with this bait, they're gonna freaking jump. I mean, they're already almost jumping to get the bait. So it ain't nothing for them to just start jumping once they actually know they're hooked. There it is. We lost another one. All good though, man. That like part of the fun of fishing with a Whopper Plopper is just seeing that hit. You know, you don't have to catch every fish that hits it. Like, you're not going to, but whenever they crush the top, that topwater lure, man, it's so much fun. Something about it just makes you happy. Makes me happy. I've definitely had better days of fishing, definitely had worse. Pretty solid, man, pretty sweet. Come out here after work, catch some smallies, lose some giant smallies, but that's okay. Whatever, man. I ain't no pro. This ain't nothing serious, man. We're just out here having fun. So I'm glad that I at least got some action. I'm glad that I caught some fish, especially on a Whopper Plopper, dude. It's been so long. That was so cool. I don't usually fish it with the spinning rod. Thought I heard something behind me. I don't usually fish it with the spinning rod. I usually fish it with a bait caster. I don't know how much I liked it with the spinning rod. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. So we might just have to stick with the bait caster from here on out with the old Whopper Plopper. But we're gonna walk back. We'll probably hit the road, and I might make a few casts on the way back. We'll see. I don't know. what's stopping me, you know? Nothing really. So if you guys don't hear from me the rest of this video, that's it, man. Like it or don't like it, that's it. We caught some fish. I'm happy. It's getting late. I'm gonna go get me some dinner and I guess get ready for work tomorrow. And I'll be honest, man, if the weather isn't too bad tomorrow, I might come out here and approach this a little bit differently. So we might try to get into some smallmouth tomorrow as well. They're here. They're freaking biting, dude. They are on fire. It's that time of year where you're gonna catch some bass if you just go out and do it. So appreciate y'all watching. Thank you so much for the support. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.